Time to create one of the best trail maps you've ever seen because it's tailored to your favorite spots. Ride Command lets you set waypoints and record your ride. So you can remember exactly where that awesome overlook is or that gnarly rocky pass you want to ride again. And Kenny, how awesome is this navigation system?
The Ride Command is pretty awesome. So the first thing I'm going to have you do to get to the actual navigation portion is click on that center button there in the middle of the console.
Okay.
That's going to bring up your navigation screen. First thing you notice here is the map. The map's going to be pretty interactive for you. So you can drag around on the map, look around what's going on. You can pinch to zoom if you want to zoom out or zoom in and get a closer look at some of the trails. Once we've moved around on the map, you'll see that the button on the right-hand side starts to flash. If we press that button again, that's going to recenter the map on our current location. If we press that same button another time, it's going to change our map from north up to trail up, and it's going to give us a couple of different options when we're driving down the trail. The button underneath that is going to give us our navigation menu. On the navigation menu, you'll see that we have the legend for all the trails that are going to appear. We also have our waypoint list. We can add waypoints. We can look at our rides that we've done in the past. We can record rides. We can also check out some of the group ride stuff through the app. Let's go to our waypoint list first. On that list, we got a couple of waypoints from last week, right?
Yes, I'm happy. We've got to stop for lunch.
Absolutely. We also have a location for the truck. So let's go ahead and mark today's current location where we're sitting. So let's go back to the map and select Add Waypoint. Here we can edit that waypoint by hitting the pencil icon, and we can change the name of that waypoint. So what do you want to call this spot here?
Let's call it the overlook. Isn't it a beautiful view?
Let's go ahead and change the color of that waypoint as well. So the button right beside the text is going to change. We have a few different colors and you can cycle through them as we go through. Once you pick your favorite color, go ahead and hit the confirm, and it's going to bring us back to the waypoint menu. So once we've dropped that waypoint, let's go ahead and click on that waypoint, and you'll see that those same menu options pop back up. If we click on the button on the bottom left, we can navigate to that waypoint. Not really going to get navigation, left turn by turn instructions, but it's going to tell us the general direction that we're traveling to that waypoint. If we hit the red X beside that waypoint, what do you think that's going to do?
Delete it.
Absolutely. So
I don't want to. I want to remember it. No, we'll delete it. Okay. We can put it back.
Awesome. So let's go back into our navigation menu. And let's select the Rides button. Underneath Rides is where our saved routes is going to appear. We can also export those routes or import those routes from USB. We'll talk more about that later.
And when you record your ride, you can then save it, and we can take this route again, maybe next week. And the best part is, you don't have to take off your riding gloves. So you can get where you're going faster thanks to Ride Command.